this question we are asked to find out the range of x plus y such that x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 49. The equation that is given to us is the equation of a circle. The center of the circle will be 2, 4 and the radius will be square root of 49, which is equal to 7. So let us first draw a circle. Let us assume that this is the circle. The center of the circle is known to us. This is 2, 4. And the radius is equal to 7 units. We are asked to find out the 2 points on this circle which have the maximum value of x plus y and the minimum value of x plus y. If you are looking at x plus y as a straight line which is equal to a constant k, and if you are drawing different x plus y's, this will be 1x plus y. This will be equal to some constant k. Similarly, there will be 1x plus y which will go through the center of the circle. That will be x plus y is equal to 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. Similarly, you will have many x plus y. So you will have another x plus y, something like this. And finally, you will have 1x plus y, which is a tangent to the circle. And this will be equal to x plus y is equal to some number z. And whenever this z is maximized, that will become a tangent. Similarly, when z is minimized, it will be a tangent on the other side. This will be x plus y is equal to z1. What we are required to calculate is what is the value of z1 and what is the value of z, such that both the points are on the circle. This is what we are required to calculate. So if you assume that the point of intersection of the tangent, which is lying on x plus y is equal to z, and the circle is a point called, say, a comma b. Now if you are connecting that point a comma b to the center of the circle, this is going to be perpendicular to the given line, because the line connecting the center to the point of intersection of the tangent and the circle will always be perpendicular. So the slope of this line, if you call this to be equal to m, and the slope of the given line, when you multiply both of them, the product has to equal -1. Because if you have two lines which are of the form y is equal to m1x plus c and y is equal to m2x plus c, and if both of them are perpendicular to each other, the product of the slopes m1 into m2 is equal to -1. We know the slope of the given line. X plus y is equal to z. The slope of this line is -1. Because this can be represented as y is equal to -x plus z. Whatever is the value of z, the coefficient of x is -1. So the slope of the given line x plus y is equal to z is -1. This would imply that the slope of the line which is connecting the point a comma b and the center of the circle, that slope has to equal 1. So that line is of the form y is equal to x plus k, and it passes through the center of the circle, which is 2, 4. So if you substitute the value of y to be 4 and x to be equal to 2, you will find out that the value of k is equal to 2. So the equation of this line is equal to y is equal to x plus 2. So the value of a comma b can be represented as a comma a plus 2. Even the other point will lie on this line. Even the other point, when you extend this, is going to lie on this line, and it will be another point, say b comma b plus 2. And both these points even lie on the circle. So if you substitute the value of x and y to be a and a plus 2 respectively, the sum has to equal 49. What is the value of x minus 2 when x is equal to a? That will equal a minus 2 whole square. Plus what is the value of y minus 4 when y is a plus 2? It is again equal to a minus 2 whole square. So a minus 2 whole square plus a minus 2 whole square is equal to 49. Or a minus 2 whole square is equal to 49 by 2. So a minus 2 is equal to 7 by root 2. Or the value of a is equal to 2 plus 7 by root 2. For the same reason, the value of b will be exactly opposite. In this case, when you are taking the square root of 49 by root 2, instead of calling it 7 by root 2, it will be equal to -7 by root 2. Similarly, the second value will be equal to 2 minus 7 by root 2. This is the x coordinate. One is 2 plus 7 by root 2, the other is 2 minus 7 by root 2. And the y coordinates will be just adding 2 respectively, because they will be a plus 2 and b plus 2. So the value of a plus 2 will be equal to 4 plus 7 by root 2 in the first case, and in the second case it will be 4 minus 7 by root 2. This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. So what is the value of x plus y? In the case when it is maximized, the value of x plus y will be equal to 2 plus 7 by root 2 plus 4 plus 7 by root 2, which is equal to 6 plus 2 times 7 by root 2, or that is equal to 7 root 2. This is the maximum possible value. And the minimum possible value will be 6 minus 7 by root 2, because you are adding 2 minus 7 by root 2 plus 4 minus 7 by root 2. So the range of x plus y will be between 6 minus 7 by root 2 and it will go up to 6 plus 7 by root 2. So that is option C.